gets heavy, I don't run away. That's the moment greatness starts to take shape. No chains, no fear, only strength lives here. Rush beyond limits, now the fire's endless. Every battle made me strong. Rush beyond limits, I became relentless. Now I know where I belong. Rush beyond limits, through the fire and pain, still rising higher again and scars on my skin, fire in my soul. This pain made me stronger. Now watch me rise. Now watch me dark nights and broken dreams, heavy pressure crushing me. Felt the weight upon my chest, but I refused to raise. Every bruise became my guide, every tear I learned to hide. Through this trouble, through the rain, I was built from pain. Built from pain. Now I'm unbreakable. Every scar made me unstoppable. Built from pain. Through the fire and the rain, I became stronger every day. Prayers slicing iron steel. This is where my scars all healed. Every rep and every fight turn my darkness into light. Voices said I'd never win. Now the beast awakes within. Every drop of sweat remains proof I'm built from pain. Built from pain. Now I'm unbreakable. Every scar made me unstoppable. Built from pain. Through the fire and the rain, I became stronger every day. When my body starts to fall, that's the moment I stand tall. Pain doesn't destroy my soul. It's the thing that made me whole. No fear, no chains, only power through the pain. Built from pain, now my heart is fearless. Every battle made me dangerous. Built from pain, now I own the flames. I survived and changed the game. Built from pain. Still rising, still fighting, forever stronger. Yeah, midnight grind, cold steel, no excuses. I never sleep. Dark warehouse under neon lights, heavy breathing through endless nights. Steel plates crashing to the floor, but I keep demanding more. Sweat and pain across my skin, that's the war I fight within. Every rep fuels the flame, now I'm stronger than the pain. I never sleep, and neither do I. Built through the pressure, I was born to survive. I never sleeps, hear the metal scream. Every drop of sweat built the king in me. Barbell shaking in my hands, pushing harder than I can. Voices saying slow it down, but I'll never hit the ground. Every scar became my proof, every battle showed the truth. Champions rise when others quit, that's the code I live with. I never sleep, and neither do I. Built through the pressure, I was born to survive. I never sleeps, hear the metal scream. Every drop of sweat built the king in me. When my muscles start to burn, that's the moment lessons turn. Pain becomes a source of power, hour after hour. No fear, no rest, only greatness in my chest. I never sleep, now the beast awakens. Nothing can stop me now, every limit's breaking. Iron never sleeps, feel the thunder rise. I became unstoppable, right before your eyes. Cold steel, dark nights, still grinding, still fighting. I never sleep. Yeah. Can you feel it waking up? Deep inside your soul. Tonight, we unleash the beast. Dark warehouse, heavy chains, sweat dripping through the pain. Every scar became my fire, every setback took me when the world says stop, I go harder. When my body breaks, I grow stronger.